आप ही के गीत. This time the फरमाइश is from Ms. Sangeeta R. Runwal, one of my admirers and supporters. She has demanded a lovely song from the movie Kabhi Kabhi. Kabhi Kabhi, as all of you know, is a blockbuster under Yash Chopra banner, which was nominated for not one or two or three, for 13 Filmfare Awards, out of which it won leading 4, including the Best Music for Khayyam, Best Lyricist for Sahir Ludhanvi, and Best Singer for Mukesh for the same song, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए. And even it won the Filmfare Award for Best Dialogue written by Sagar Sarhadi. The movie has been considered as one of the best romantic celluloid poetry, and it has earned a lot of fan following since it was released in 1976 to the present 2026.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नरम छांव में गुजरने पाती तो शादाब हो भी सकती थी. ये रंजो गम की स्याही जो दिल पे छाई है तेरी नजर की शुआओं में खो भी सकती थी, मगर ये हो न सका. और अब ये आलम है कि तू नहीं, तेरा गम, तेरी जुस्तजू भी नहीं. गुजर रही है कुछ इस तरह जिंदगी जैसे इसे किसी के सहारे की आरज़ू भी नहीं. न कोई राह, न मंजिल, न रोशनी का सुराग, भटक रही है अंधेरों में जिंदगी मेरी. इन्हीं अंधेरों में रह जाऊंगा कभी खोकर. मैं जानता हूं मेरी हमनफस, मगर यूं ही कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है is not at all sung or rendered by Amitabh Bachchan for Rekha, as many trawlers or haters these days project by travesting the truth. Originally, it was written by Sahir Ludhanvi, the famous poet, for a well-known poetess who is a Jnanapita awardee as well. They had platonic love which never culminated in the wedding. Both remained as unmarried throughout their life. The story of Kabhi Kabhi somewhat in a very slight manner resembles Amit, the budding poet. Amitabh Bachchan, sings one of his poems in the college campus of Kashmir, wherein Pooja, the heroine Rakhi, falls in love with him. As and when the days roll by, their love grows stronger, and this is purely eternal, true kind of love. However, every love story doesn't have a happy ending because of the family pressure. Rakhi is forced to marry an architect Vijay, that is Shashi Kapoor. Before the wedding, Rakhi meets Amit once for the last time, gets a promise assuring her that Amit would never give up his poetry and he also would get married eventually. And then they depart. As luck would have it, Vijay turns out to be a great fan of the poet Amit, and he presents the first anthology of Amit to his wife Pooja now on the Suhag Rahat, and asks her to sing one of his poems. Unfortunately, it turns out to be the same song, Kabhi Kabhi Mere Dil Mein Khayal Aata Hai, which Amit used to sing for Pooja in their love days. And as you know, love is life, love has no season. The feelings for each other continues in their heart despite getting married, and Amit is forced to get married to Wahida Rehman. Cut to after 20 years in the next generation, now we have Rishi Kapoor, a young man, son of Shashi Kapoor and Rakhi Gulzar, and on the other side, Wahida Rehman had given birth to Sweetie, Amitabh's daughter. Nazeem, a new talent, has been introduced in the movie. Meanwhile, in Mumbai, there is a doctor's family, Parikshit Sahani and Simi Garewal, who have adopted, Neetu Singh, Pari, as their daughter. Pari is in love with Vijay, Rishi Kapoor, and when they were about to get married, she comes to know about the secrecy about her birth and adoption. She goes in search of her single mother who has abandoned her, and she turns out to be none other than Wahida Rehman, the very wife of Amitabh Bachchan. She comes home and Wahida Rehman realizes and explains to her about the condition, how she had been in love with the pilot, and when they were about to get married, he dies in an accident, and the child she gives to the childless couple, Dr. Parikshit Sahani and Simi Garewal. Wahida Rehman is not able to control all her emotions to see her daughter after say 20 years, but she introduces her as niece, and she allows her to stay in the same house where Amitabh Bachchan and Amitabh's and Wahida's very daughter, Sweetie or Nazeem, stay. And in the eventuality of the circumstances, Nazeem also falls in love with Rishi Kapoor, and what happens finally forms the crux of the climax, which you have to watch and enjoy, and it is one of the must-see movies of Bollywood. Coming to the music, no wonder it won Filmfare Award, because all the compositions are so lovely and wonderful pure melodies. Be it मैं हर एक पल का शायर हूँ, हर एक पल मेरी कहानी है, or else the other version of the same song, मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है, पल दो पल मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है. Then there are beautiful love songs. तेरे फूलों जैसा अंग, तेरे शीशे जैसा रह गया दंग, और else तेरे चेहरे से नजर नहीं हटती, नजारे हम क्या देखे, प्यार कर लिया तो क्या, प्यार ही कता नहीं. और Wahida Rehman singing for Neetu Singh, मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी, and the list goes on, and that is why Planet Bollywood calls that this movie and its music is an ode to the Bollywood melodious music. So do watch the original songs and the movie unfailingly on YouTube. Even Sahir Ludhanvi's original poetry is also available on YouTube. And now is quiz time. You have to answer to which poetess Jnanapita awardee of Hindi Sahitya Sahir Ludhianvi was connected to and wrote this particular song or poem, for her beloved. So name the beloved of Sahir Ludhianvi which never culminated in a wedding. So hurry up and post your answer in the descriptive box.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए, तुझे ज़मीन पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि बदन की निगाहें मेरी अमानत है, कि बदन की निगाहें मेरी अमानत है। ये गीसों की घनी चाह मेरी खातिर, ये होंठ और ये बाहें मेरी अमानत है, ये होंठ और ये बाहें मेरी अमानत है। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे बजती है शहनाइयाँ सी राहों में, कि जैसे बजती है शहनाइयाँ सी राहों में। सुहाग रात है घूंघट उठा रहा हूँ मैं, सुहाग रात है घूंघट उठा रहा हूँ मैं, सिमट रही तू शर्मा के अपनी बाहों में, सिमट रही है तू शर्मा के अपनी बाहों में। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तू मुझे चाहेगी उम्र भर उठेगी मेरी तरफ प्यार की नजर यूं ही। मैं जानता हूँ कि तू गैर है मगर यूं ही। मैं जानता हूँ कि तू गैर है मगर